Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Sada Shorao. Today's session we are going to learn interthread communication in multi-thread programming. Two threads can communicate with each other by using wait method or notify and notify all methods. The thread which is expecting updation it has to call wait method, and the thread which is performing updation it has to call notify method. After getting notification, the waiting thread will get those updates. If you see this example, this is the wait method and notify method and notify all method. Wait method, notify method, and notify all methods are available in object class but not in thread class, because thread can call these methods on any common objects. To call wait method, notify method, and notify all methods, compulsory the current thread should be owner of that object. That is, current thread should has lock of that object. That is, current thread should be in synchronized area. Hence, we can call wait method, notify or notify all methods only for synchronized area. Otherwise, we will get runtime exception saying illegal monitor state exceptions. Once a thread calls wait method on the given object, first it releases the lock of that object immediately and entered into the waiting state. Once a thread calls notify or notify all methods, it releases the lock of that object but may not be immediately. Except these wait method, notify all methods, there is no other place where the lock releases will be happen. If you go with the yield method, there is no concept of releasing the lock. If you go with the join method and sleep method, there is no release release the lock concept. If you go with the wait method and notify all method, there is a concept of releasing the lock. Once a thread calls wait notify all methods on any object, then it releases the lock of that particular object, but not for all locks it has. If you see with methods, if you see the methods, there is a methods are there. There is some methods are there. I can show you in object class. Public, final, void, wait, throws, interrupted, exception. Next, public, final, native, void, wait, off, long in milliseconds. It throws interrupted exception. It is also same throws to interrupted exception. And one more method is public, final, void, wait, off, long in milliseconds, and integer in nanoseconds. It is also throws interrupted exception. Next, public, final, native, void, notify. It doesn't throw any exception. public final void notify all. It is also doesn't throw any exception. If you go with the thread how it goes here. First, whenever we are creating an object of thread class, it goes to new or born state. After that, whenever you are calling the t dot start method, it goes to ready or runnable state. After that, based on the thread scheduler, it going to the running state. If calling, if it is run method is completed, it's going to dead state. Whenever we are calling running state of the thread of running state of the thread method if you are calling any wait method with the wait method with the some arguments, it's going to waiting state. If a waiting thread got notification, if it time expire or if time expires or if waiting thread got interrupted, it's going to another waiting state. If a waiting thread got lock, it is going to again ready or runnable state. I can show you one example here. If you see this, I'm creating a thread. I'm creating a class thread A. In this thread A, I am creating a main method here. In this main method, I am creating an object of one more class that is the thread B. It is extended from the thread. After that, I am calling the b dot start method. Whenever we are calling the b dot start method, it is going, it will be executed the run method. In this run method, if you are giving a synchronized of this, whenever if you are putting synchronized of this, it will be executed. A child interrupted and some, it will be executed. After that, it's going to here. Now the first it executed the synchronized of this, it will be come to the here main thread calling, main thread calling wait method will be executed. If executed like this, first it's come to here, it creates an object of thread b class. After, it calls the b dot start. Whenever we are calling the b dot start, it comes to here, it executes the run method. The run method is executed started. If we are calling the synchronized of this, it comes into the picture here, it prints the this line, it executes this line. After that, we are calling the b dot wait method. Whenever we are calling the b dot wait method, it waits and it comes to here, it executes this line. After that, it executes this line, and after that is executes. Whenever we are notifying this dot notify, it will release the lock of the b object. Immediately it comes to here and executes this all the statements. Now I can explain one more example here. Producer and consumer problem. Producer will produce the items to the queue and the consumer will consume the items from the queue. If the queue is empty, the consumer has to call wait method on the queue object. Then it will enter into the waiting state. After producing the items, producer thread call notify method on the queue to give the notification so that consumer threads will get the notification from the consumes the item. Next, I am going to discuss about notify and notify all methods. We can use notify method to give the notification for only one thread. If not multiple threads are waiting, then only one thread will get the chance and the remaining threads has to wait for the further notification. But which thread will be notified of inform, we cannot expect exactly. It depends upon the JVM. We can't expect which thread will be executed by we are calling the notify method. We can use the notify all method to give the notification for all waiting threads. All waiting threads will be notified and it will be executed one by one. On which object we are calling wait, notify and notify all methods, that corresponding objects log we have to get but not other objects logs. This is the concept of wait, notify and notify all methods.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.